Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing our IGCSE exam preparation, looking at a core paper 3. Question 6 here, all about circles. So you need to know our circle theorems. We've got S, R, and P points on a circle. O is the center, and M, N is the tangent. We're given that R, P, N, R to P to N is 48. Okay, we've got to find out several angles. We've got to find OPR, so O to P to R. So that angle there. Remember, tangent and a radius meet at right angles, so those two must sum to 90, so it'll be 42. ORP, ORP, this one here. Well, these two are both radii, so this is an isosceles triangle. So that'll be 42 as well, because of an isosceles triangle. They haven't asked for reasons, but it's always useful to keep them in the back of your head or on paper so that you know what's happening. POR, so POR, remember we need three angles in a triangle to sum up to 180. So if we've got 84 so far, then that one is going to be 96. Okay, because that's three angles in a triangle summing to 180. And it is a calculated paper, so if you're really not sure, you could just 180 minus 42 minus 42, and it is 96. Okay, then the next one, SOR. Well, SOR, those two angles are angles on a straight line, and they also sum to 180 degrees. Or you could use exterior angle equal to the sum of the interior opposite. So those two add up to 180, and that's equal to those two. So that one's going to equal to 84 for two different reasons there. So angles on a straight line, or it's the exterior angle. SRP, SRP. So this is our circle theorems. That is a right angle. So you need to know that angle subtended by the diameter is 90 degrees. You always get right angles in a sector. And then OSR, well, we know that this is 84, leaving us 96. 96 divided by 2, that's also an isosceles triangle. That's going to be 48. Obviously, that had to be 48 to make that a right angle. So OSR is also 48. Right, so let's look at some other things about this circle. OP is now 3 centimeters. We've got to work out the circumference of the circle. Now, what is OP? OP is just the radius. So that's the radius. So the diameter is 6. And remember, the circumference of a circle is pi d, or 2 pi r. So the circumference is 6 times 3.14 roughly is a calculated paper. So I'll use my pi button. 6 times pi, and I get 18.85. That should be sufficient. 18.8 to three significant figures. The length of the minor arc SR. SR is there. So remember, an arc is a fraction of 360 degrees. So we're going to look at the angle that we've got there is 84 times the circumference. So it's 84 360ths of 18.8. So we're going to do 84 divided by 360, because it's a fraction of that full circle, times 6 times pi. And I get 4.39, well, round it up, 4.40 to three significant figures. And then the area of the circle, remember the area of a circle is pi r squared. Radius was given to us as 3, so it's times 9 pi. So I'll do 9 times shift pi, and I get 28.27, so 28.3 centimeters squared. They've given us the units, so that's been useful. Haven't had to worry about the units. and the area of the minor sector, SOR. So SOR, they want the sector. So again, it's that same fraction of that area now. So it's 84/360 times 28.3. So I'll take the answer as it stands, divide it by 360, times by 84, 6.59, so 6.60 centimeters squared. So there we go, there was a lot in that question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 marks, which we've done in just under 6 minutes. We need to know our circle properties, triangle properties, circle theorems, area, circumference. So know your angle facts, know your circle facts, know your triangle facts, and then area and circumference of a circle. Thanks for watching. Please do watch the other videos in this exam paper series. Please like, subscribe, and share.